Hi, my name is Mark, the NZ365 guy. Together with my colleague, George Dominski, we have created these videos. In this video, we'll be discussing the Microsoft Business Application Platform. We'll cover three main areas. What is the Business Application Platform? What are the capabilities of the platform? And what does it mean for an independent software vendor? Let's get started with answering the question, what is the Business Application Platform? To build a successful application, an ISV needs to look at how the modern organization operates. They need to consider the following four pillars: engage customers, optimize operations, empower employees, and transform products. All these elements create data, and if that data can be provided back to the business intelligently, it can be used to improve business outcomes. This data gives the business the ability to create deeper relationships with their customers and respond to the customer based on the signals the customer provides, providing operations the data and feedback to make informed decisions on how to improve, manage, and maneuver the operations in the best way to empower the business. It allows employees to become fully engaged as the repetitive, mundane aspects of their roles are automated, and employee feedback is incorporated into the systems and process improvement. And finally, it allows for the insights into the product and services provided by the business through product telemetry to create better products and services. The Microsoft Business Application Platform is made up of a range of Microsoft technologies that brings together over 15 years of investment. The platform allows for rapid development of software applications to springboard and transform any application used to run, automate, and increase productivity in an organization. It's a set of tools and a range of proven and tested extensible solutions that together provide ISVs the ability to take their ideas and turn them into reality and bring solutions to market quicker than ever before. A core element of this is the Microsoft Power Platform. The Microsoft Power Platform is made up of Power Apps, Power BI, and Microsoft Flow, architected on a common data model hosted in Azure, with common data services for applications and a large range of data connectors, as well as deep integration to Dynamics 365 and Office 365. An ISV can build applications with the same sophistication as the Dynamics 365 apps created by Microsoft. For those of you that are familiar with our Dynamics products, in the last couple of years, we separated sales, service, and marketing from the underpinning data storage, model, and application framework to allow for a far greater extensible platform. The Microsoft Power Platform, we will continue to build applications on this platform like field service, talent, and sales, to name a few. In addition, the platform is open for any ISV to build business applications or to extend Dynamics 365 apps. Either way, the ISV can have all the functionality of the platform, that is a modern, unified interface that works across devices like desktop, mobile, and tablet, that has intelligence built in and remains adaptable as changes are needed. ISVs can now build apps for today and evolve as the platform moves forward. Now that we have seen how the Business Application Platform has been re-engineered for the future, let's answer a question an ISV may ask. Why Microsoft? Digital transformation. Consider how far Dynamics 365 has come since featuring in Gartner's quadrant for CRMs for the first time in 2011. We will continue to innovate and close the gap on our competitors. The product focus in the immediate future will be fundamentals. We started by separating the platform and data and will continue to invest in our core capabilities and services and One Microsoft integrations. We'll differentiate ourselves as a company with the completeness of our integration with other Microsoft clouds across Office 365, Azure, LinkedIn, and Bing Intelligence. We will drive intelligent action without requiring data scientists to get involved and without going through long and complex development cycles. What does this give ISVs? Extensibility, such as gateways, custom connectors, Azure functions, hybrids, maintainable and predictable upgrades, no more broken apps, scalability, computing power when you need it on your terms and at a minimal cost, business continuity and disaster recovery, worry-free deployment into the customer's environments. How is it delivered? The business application platform is built on top of the Azure platform, the most productive, adaptive, intelligent and trusted cloud platform to help ISVs create business value. Let's talk in detail about what development choices the business application platform delivers for ISVs. It's important to understand that on the Microsoft Power Platform, the ISV can build applications with the same rich functionality as Microsoft's first-party apps, like sales, service, and marketing. But they can also build applications that extend the functionality of Microsoft's first-party apps. For example, an ISV may decide to build an application to run a rental property management business. They may decide that they will build out the entities that are specific to that industry and use the modules from sales, service, and marketing rather than build them from scratch. The beauty is that the ISV has the choice. Either extend Dynamics 365 or build from the ground up on the Microsoft Power Platform, gaining the benefits either way of the modern, unified interface that works across any device, like desktop, mobile, and tablet, that has intelligence built in and remains adaptable as changes are needed. ISVs now have a choice of how and where to innovate and the ability to do it quickly with great return on investment. They can connect and integrate data and processes from hundreds of external systems. The ISV can build custom connectors to deliver specific data and functionality. They can extend Dynamics 365 apps and enhance the common data model. The ISV can build apps on the Power Platform and enhance innovation with a modern user experience. Bring and embed transactional data to gain deep and rich analytical insights into the customer's business apps. Expand apps capabilities with deep AI integration. What does the Power Platform give ISVs? Consider these key platform capabilities. What you see is what you get. Canvas-based, meaning you have the canvas and can lay out any element with pixel-precise control, plus responsive, model-driven app creation. Model-driven is the ability to model business relationships and activities with the overlay of business processes and intelligent reporting. Common data model and common data services across apps. We'll discuss this in more detail soon. With 200 plus connectors built in, analytics as part of the platform, enterprise-ready governance and pro-dev extensibility, meaning that the ISV can develop on Microsoft's high productivity app platform is limited only to their imagination. Microsoft has invested years of research and development to deliver world-class Dynamics 365 applications. The Business Application Platform enables ISVs to extend Microsoft's first-party apps to deliver add-on business value to their customers. First-party apps include traditional sales, service, and marketing. New model-driven apps of field service and project service automation, apps with ERP pedigree, finance and operations, retail and business central. One of the first fully featured apps built on the Microsoft Power Platform is Dynamics 365 for Talent, and underpinning all the above and delivering the operational brain is Dynamics 365 AI, with its deep roots in Azure cognitive services and machine learning. But any app, whether it is built from the ground up or by extending a first-party app, is not going to have any value unless it brings together data from various sources. The Business Application Platform not only includes over 200 connectors out of the box, it also gives ISVs a framework to deliver and manage custom connectors to data sources required by the business. Custom connectors also enable ISVs with existing cloud services to deliver value by rapid integration of their services into the existing Dynamics 365 solutions. And finally, by taking the business data and connecting with Power BI and Microsoft Dynamics 365 AI capabilities, ISVs can deliver immense value at the last mile of the business processes. By now we're seeing a glimpse of the capabilities of the Business Application Platform and the Microsoft Power Platform. But what's in it for the ISV? As we break down the Power Platform into individual pieces and underpinning technologies, the opportunities for ISVs become apparent. With the separation of the platform that underpin Dynamics 365 and the addition of Power Apps, Microsoft Flow and Power BI, with out-of-the-box connectors, gateways, and the common data service, the ISV can build out applications with the same parity as Dynamics 365. When working with an ISV, it is important that you know and can explain the Microsoft Power Platform and the elements that the platform provides for rapid app design and development. Depending on the ISV type, we can see different opportunities emerge. Existing Microsoft Partner Network members may look to evolve their competencies and add some new ones like the ISV competency. System integrators and consulting companies can deliver one Microsoft services and open new markets with AppSource. Value-added resellers could tap into additional licensing revenue. Companies with domain-specific knowledge can extend Microsoft apps, capitalize on IP, rapidly build a vertical solution, and add some licensing revenue with ISV embed. Startup ISVs can take advantage of cost-effective, rapid deployment opportunities, as well as scalable growth opportunities with Microsoft providing dedicated support. Research and development companies can springboard off Microsoft's innovation and become an ISV, or partner with an ISV to tap into powerful Azure capabilities, AI, IoT, data, and use the infinite computing capabilities delivered by Azure. Established players within Dynamics 365 can gain competitive edge, extend their solutions, and utilize cloud capabilities for enterprise deployment and government clouds. Imagine the top 10 Salesforce add-on solutions being re-platformed to the Microsoft Power Platform. You don't need to look far to see apps developed on Android also creating and marketing their apps available on iOS. And finally, companies with products across different technologies can tap into this rapid innovation platform, cross-selling capabilities and products, bring cost-effective licensing to their customers, and capitalize on the one Microsoft approach. You've probably heard the term no cliffs before. The Microsoft Power Platform allows ISVs the ability to create apps that can range from simple right through to advanced and onto mission critical, providing the capabilities to create sophisticated applications. The platform democratizes development of important to the business but simple applications, which can now move into a domain of power users and citizen developers, freeing ISVs to develop sophisticated integrated solutions with high add-on value. It also opens the doors for a new breed of ISVs, rapid innovation through the incremental delivery of advanced apps. Business Application Platform lets ISVs deliver value regardless of the size. It democratizes app creation, and we have seen it throughout Microsoft's history because it's in Microsoft's DNA. Each one of these applications has provided ISVs the ability to create new products and take them to market. Building from the ground up, ISVs need to invest in non-differentiating platforms and services. I will use the example of building a house. There is a lot of work in building a house that needs to be done below the ground. Building foundations and connecting power, water, gas, and of course the internet. How could we live without that? It's expensive to build and maintain, and slows down innovation if the ISV has to build these foundational capabilities themselves, such as security, multi-device support, connectors to other software, and scalability as the business or application grows. In the build from the ground up model, the ISV has to invest a lot of effort to provide value to the business. Compare with building on the platform, where the customer pays for business value, not for commodity. It allows ISVs to focus on building core IP, delivering differentiated value. The effort for the ISV is considerably lower, but the business value considerably higher. Looking back at the Business Application Platform, it's now clear that the extensibility for ISVs is the very fiber of the platform, and opportunities are endless. ISV apps are essential to close the gap between Dynamics 365 out-of-the-box functionality and the specific needs of end customers. The Microsoft Business Application Platform can accelerate time to market for ISVs by building an app on Dynamics 365 or the Power Platform. ISVs can target millions of users in Microsoft's ecosystem worldwide. It has never been a better time to be an ISV. That brings us to the end of this video. We have covered what is the Business Application Platform, how the platform helps businesses with digital transformation, and what the platform can do for an ISV. Thank you for watching, And I'll see you in the next video in this series about how ISVs can develop on the business application platform.